Hi friends, welcome to our Creativity Club. I'm Meredith and I am the brand ambassador for Faber-Castell USA Creativity for Kids. Today we are doing our Very Hungry Caterpillar fun felt play. So let's go ahead, open it up and get started. What do we have inside? Oh, look at how colorful this is. And this is just the back. Let's turn it over. Ta-da! This is our fun felt play board. As you can see, the inside of it is all fuzzy felt. And we're given this wonderful little storage bag for all of your felt pieces that you'll be using to create different shapes and characters and items from the story. So let's set this aside here for a second. And yep, you know what? There's instructions in here too. So let's just take a look at our instructions. I'll just put this all like so. Okay. Here we are. So getting started, start with clean hands and a clean work surface. Fun felt. Remove the felt shapes from the bag. They will stick to the felt board and to each other. It's best to work on a flat surface or on the floor, and you can use the pictures below to make your favorite characters. So in our instructions, it shows you how to place the felt pieces in order to make our caterpillar, our butterfly, and then all of the different fruits and foods that our very hungry caterpillar eats each day of the week. So how about if we take a look at our book and see what we want to create first. So this is The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. And let's see here. On the very first few pages, we see a sunshine. Let's see. Here's our sunshine, even bigger. So let's go ahead and create our sunshine. It looks like he's got a happy face and all the rays of the sun pointing outward. Okay. So let's find those shapes. Already, I see our sunshine's face. Now we need to find the different rays of the sun, and you can just place them down there. Let's lay these out a little bit more so we can easily find them. Oh, here's an interesting piece. Is this a ray of the sun? No, I think that one's a little bit long. Here's one. Here's a sun ray. And how about that? Nope, this looks like it could be part of our butterfly. Oh, here's one. It's a little bit more orangey. And where else? That looks like a little circle. That looks like a pear shape and possibly an apple shape. Here's our caterpillar's head. Whoop. We'll flip them all over so we can see. This is a butterfly wing and more butterfly wings. Oh, and here, is this a sun ray? I don't know. It doesn't look the same as those, so we'll put it to the side for now. Here's another sun ray. Here's part of our caterpillar. I think it looks like when he turns into a butterfly. Oh, and this has some markings on it. I wonder what that could be. Do we have any more sun rays, or do we have them all? Oh, here's another one. Okay, so I think we already have our sun put together. So this starts our story. And we'll just arrange our sun rays just like that. Okay, let's see what comes next. Here's our beautiful sun. Aha! The next thing that comes about is what our very hungry caterpillar eats his way through each day of the week. So it looks like we've got an apple, some pears, some plums, some strawberries, and some oranges. So let's go ahead and see if we can make any of those with our felt. All right, so I'm sure I saw here's an apple. Now this apple needs a stem. There it is. And a plum. Here's a plum. And our plum needs a stem. Let's see, is this the plum stem? It could be. And what else? Well, that's a watermelon. Did he eat a watermelon? Maybe. Oh, here's a strawberry. I think he did eat a strawberry. And here's a stem for our strawberry. Or maybe this is our strawberry stem. I think this is our strawberry stem. It has all these beautiful leaves with it. And what else? What was this blue shape? Let's look back. Well, we had an apple. Oh, the pear. I forgot the pear. But here's the plums, the strawberries, and oranges. Oh, and on this page there's so much more. We have a watermelon, a muffin. Oh, that's a cupcake. A sausage and a piece of pie. There's an ice cream cone over here. Okay, and I think this round circle is this blue round circle I have in my hand. So now I have a better idea of what we're creating. So let's find that pear. Here it is. Here's our pear. And here's our watermelon. And I think the cupcake was around here. Oh, see that? The cupcake has two pieces that fit just perfectly together. Like that. The little zigzags fit right into each other. And our watermelon needs a watermelon rind. That's the outside, the green part of the watermelon. And our pear needs a stem. Now this here, this was our lollipop, and it has a swirl on it. So let's find that long yellow piece and see if we can make it look like a swirl. So I'm going to start in the center and then place the yellow swirl around it and around it. Ta-da! We made a swirly lollipop. And let's see, it needs a stick because that's how you hold a lollipop, is by a stick. Maybe this could be the stick. That's a really long stick. We'll put it over here. Now these little small little white dots, these are the holes that the caterpillar made in each one of the fruits and foods as he ate his way through them. So you can easily just add the little holes to each one of these fruits and foods. Let's see, are there any more? I don't think so. All right. So now let's go ahead and make our little caterpillar. So let's reference our instructions. to create the caterpillar, we're going to start with the caterpillar's head. And then we're going to do a blue, a light green, a dark green, and then we're going to do that over again. A blue, a light green, and a dark green. And that creates a pattern. So we're going to do a pattern of the felt pieces to create our caterpillar. So let's find those pieces. Here's our head. And I'm going to move our fruits to the side so we can put our caterpillar right here in the center. So here's our head. And then we said blue, and light green, and dark green, and then we're going to repeat that again. So blue and light green and dark green, and then we're going to repeat that one more time. So here's our blue and our, oh, that's a leaf. And here's our light green, here's our dark green, and the blue is the last one for the last bit of him. Now you can also see that you're given little pieces that look like his feet. So we can put his feet on. So we have 4 feet up front. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 2 feet in the back. 1, 2. And we just want to make sure they're all facing the right way so our caterpillar can go in one direction instead of trying to go in many directions at one time. All right, that was fun. So now let's go ahead and make our butterfly. So I'll move our food over here, just like that, and our instructions to the side. So for our butterfly, what we need is our butterfly body, and then 1, 2, 3 pieces on one side, and 1, 2, 3 pieces on the other side to make up our butterfly wings. So already I found our butterfly body. I don't think we're going to have enough space over here, so I'm going to move our fruit to the side. And see that? Our stem, it just stays right on because the felt sticks to each other. Okay, so here's our butterfly body, and I'm going to move our sun rays up too, just like that. And we said 3 pieces for one side of our butterfly. So here's our top piece, and then our second piece up. We're overlapping our caterpillar, but I think that's okay. And then we need 1 more piece on the bottom. Ta-da! So we have part of our butterfly wings done, and we'll do the other part right over here. So here's our top piece, and then the green piece is our middle piece, and the purple piece is the lower part of our butterfly wings. Yay! So we have a beautiful butterfly, our very hungry caterpillar, all of our fruits and foods, but I see there's a couple pieces left. And those pieces create an ice cream cone. Yay! Oh, and here's another part of our sun. And I think this one actually might go to our very hungry caterpillar. And we have a leaf as well, because right in the beginning of our story, it talks about the little egg on the leaf. Well, isn't that outstanding? You can move these around and play with these over and over again and create your own story after you read The Very Hungry Caterpillar. So, this is such a classic craft, and I hope you enjoyed playing along with me and exploring the fun of our felt board. All right, well, thank you for joining me today. Wasn't that so much fun? If you want to show us what you're creating on your felt board, just ask an adult to take a picture and post it up on our Creativity for Kids Facebook page or hashtag Creativity for Kids on our Instagram page. I hope you can join me next time as we craft again. Thank you. Bye.